Former Governor of the Central Bank of Nigeria, CBN, Godwin Emefiele, on Monday resumed his ongoing trial by the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC. He is being arraigned before Justice Rahman Oshodi for abuse of office, bordering on alleged irregular allocation of billions of US dollars in foreign exchange. Emefiele is facing a 26-count charge alongside his co-defendant, Henry Omoile. Both defendants pleaded not guilty to the charges. The first count charge states that Mr. Emefiele committed an abuse of office between 2022 and 2023 in Lagos, an offence punishable under Section 73 of the Criminal Law of Lagos State, 2011. The count alleged that Mr. Emefiele directed to be done in abuse of the authority of your office as the Governor, Central Bank of Nigeria, an arbitrary act to it, allocating foreign exchange in the aggregate sum of over $2 billion without bids, which act is prejudicial to the rights of Nigerians. Count 2, also of abuse of office, alleged that a former bank chief between 2020 and 2021 in Lagos directed to be done in abuse of the authority of your office as the Governor, Central Bank of Nigeria, an arbitrary act to it, allocating foreign exchange in the aggregate sum of over $291 billion without bids, which act is prejudicial to the rights of Nigerians. In the third count, Mr. Emefiele was alleged to have in 2021 in Lagos directed to be done in abuse of the authority of your office as the Governor, Central Bank of Nigeria, an arbitrary act to it, a special allocation of foreign exchange and the aggregate sum of over $1 billion, which act is prejudicial to the right of Nigerians. In count 4, the sum involved was over $370 billion. In count 5, Mr. Emefiele's co-defendant, Mr. Omoile, was accused of about the 17th of November 2020 in Lagos within the jurisdiction of this honorable court while acting as an agent accepted from Raja Punjab through Monday Osazua, the total sum of $110,000. For Godwin Emefiele, gifts as reward for allocating foreign exchange by the Central Bank of Nigeria in favor of Raja Punjab's employer. While Justice Oshodi ordered that Emefiele should be remanded in EFCC custody, he ordered that Isioma Omoile be remanded at the Ikoyi Correctional Center, where he was already being held. The judge made the remand orders while adjourning till Thursday, April 11, 2024, to hear their bail applications.
Hey.